In this session, let us learn about machine learning mean, median, mode. Mean, median and mode. What can we learn from looking at a group of numbers? In machine learning and in mathematics, there are often three values that interest us: mean, the average value; median, the midpoint value; mode, the most common value. Example, we have registered the speed of 13 cars. Speed is equal to C 99, 86, 87, 88, 111, 86, 103, 87, 94, 78, 77, 85, 86. What is the average, the middle of the most common speed value? Mean. The mean value is the average value. To calculate the mean, find the sum of all values and divide the sum by the number of values. See, 99 plus 86 plus 87 plus 88, we should add all and we should divide by 13. That answer is equal to 89 by 77. Use the NumPy mean method to find the average speed. See, by using mean method and executing this, the result returns this 89.76 and so on. Median. The median value is the value in the middle after you have sorted all the values. It is important that the numbers are sorted before you can find the median. The NumPy module has a method of this. Use the NumPy median method to find the middle value. To find the middle value, see, by using NumPy.median method, the result returns is 87.0. If there are two numbers in the middle, divide the sum of those numbers by 2. See, 86 plus 87 divided by 2 is equal to 86.5. See, using the NumPy module, we can divide this and get this result 86.5. Mode. The mode value is the value that appears the most number of times. See, 86, 86, 86, 3 times it is appeared. See, the sci-fi module as the method for this. Learn about the sci-fi module in our sci-fi tutorial. Use the sci-fi mode method to find the number that appears that most. See, from sci-fi import states, see, by using the mode method returns a mode result object that contains the mode number 86 and count how many times its mode number appeared 3. See, mode result, mode arrays 86, a count number is 3. Chapter summary. The mean, median and mode are techniques that are often used in machine learning, so it is important to understand the concept behind them. Okay friends, this is the end of part 2, machine learning mean, median, mode. In next video, let us learn about another topic, machine learning standard deviation. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.